Welcome back. We're on chapter 2, still Giancoli, number 2, question number 2. Can an object have a varying velocity if its speed is constant? If yes, give examples. Well, let's look. Speed, we know, is like the how fast. And velocity is talking about the same thing. If I could spell velocity. Is talking about the same thing. It's the how fast and in which direction. So velocity encompasses speed, but also another bit of information that is the direction. So I need to have direction in there. So let's think about this. So can I vary the velocity if the speed is constant? Well, if the how fast is constant, or meaning it's always the same, can velocity be changing? Well, the number associated with velocity wouldn't be changing. The how fast, the miles per hour can't be changing. Let's say that that's 30. So, but what if we changed this other bit here? Let's think about that. What if you were driving? Let's say we're driving, and we're driving 30 miles an hour, but let's say we're going north, straight north. Well, could I keep that, let's say, on cruise control and turn my wheel to the right-hand side? And so now I'd be going 30 miles an hour, let's say east. And I compare that to what if I keep turning and I go 30 miles an hour, but now I'm going south, and 30 miles an hour, but now I'm going west. These things all have the exact same speed, but do they have the same velocity? No. No, each one of these has a different velocity, and that velocity is only changing via direction. Okay, so what would this look like in a picture? Well, like a top view picture, so like you're a helicopter looking down on the ground right now. If I draw a car, that's supposed to be a car, if I draw a car and have that guy going at 30 miles an hour, he could be going, let's say that he's going north, and we'll do north up, and as you know, west is to the left, and east is to the right then, and south is there. So he's going 30 miles an hour north, but then maybe he takes a turn, and now you have this car, but the car is going this way, 30 miles an hour. And let's say you take another turn, and now the car is going this way at 30 miles an hour. And take one more turn. Oh, that was a really sharp turn there. Take one more turn, and now you're going 30 miles an hour, but west. So this car right here has the same speed, assuming that the speed is constant. Let's go ahead and let's assume it's a perfect cruise control system. It would have four different directions there, and so it has 4 different velocities. And furthermore, even in the middle here, what about if it's like in the middle of its turn? Yeah, it'd be going this way at 30 miles an hour. And what direction would that be? Well, that'd be like northeast, and you can report that in degrees. You don't have to report it in the cardinal coordinate plane either. That's it.